Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you my simple beauty routine, sorry, excuse my cat, for whenever I need to go run errands or do whatever. A lot of these products, I think all of these products you can buy at the drugstore. If you cannot buy them at the drugstore, they're a drugstore price. So let's go ahead and get started. It's going to be quick and easy and then we'll be done. So the first thing I'm going to use is the e.l.f. foundation. This foundation has SPF in it. It's SPF 15, so you don't have to apply a sunscreen if you do that before you apply the foundation. I like to shake mine up like this, and then I'm just going to put a couple pumps on the back of my hand. Okay, and then I'm actually going to take a brush and apply it. This is my Morphe 439. There we go. Okay, and then I'm just going to dip my brush in, put some dots on my face, and then we're going to go from there. So the next thing I normally like to do is take bronzer and just dust it on my face. This is the Milani bronzer. It's very pretty. It has like a little bit of shimmer inside of it. There it is. Okay. Okay, so there's that. I've got some bronzer on. Next up, we're gonna put a little bit of blush. Again, I always reach for my Milani. This is the Milani blush in Romantic Rose. I love this shade. It's really neutral. It's not like a bright pink. It's more of like a mauve-y, like muted pink tone. And it always looks good whenever you're going just out and about and you don't really want to look like you're full glam, but you want a little something on your cheeks. So I just take my brush. This is a Morphe. It doesn't tell me what this is, but it's a Morphe brush. All right, and tap off the excess, and we're just gonna dust it on the apples of our cheeks. Next, we're gonna move on to the eyes. For eyes, I really like to keep it really simple. A lot of times what I'll do is I'll take like a little fluffy brush like this. Fluffy. This is my Sigma E40. It's kind of like erased off the side. And then I just like to take any like neutral shade. This is from the Balm Cosmetics, the Nude Dudes palette. It's very affordable. You can't find it at the drugstore, but you can normally find it for pretty cheap. Like I think I got this one at Target, I'm not sure, or TJ Maxx. But so here's this, and I'll normally take the shade Feisty, this one right here. It's kind of that mauve pink again, and I'll just dip my brush in, and then I like to do it right here in my like crease area. Okay, and then sometimes what I'll do, like if I want a little bit of like shimmer or something, I'll take my, let's see, this is, I think this is, Maybelline, the 24-hour color tattoos. And I really like this gold shade. It's called Barely Branded. It really reminds me of the MAC paint pots a lot. But that's what it looks like, the gold shimmer. It just adds a little bit of something. And then I'll just take a finger, dip a finger in, and then I'll just like... I'll normally take whatever mascara I have on hand. This one is So Lashy. not least, lips. Normally when I'm going out and about, like if I'm going out all night or something, I'll wear one of my liquid lips. It's just easier. I know it's going to stay on. I know it's not going to look like trash. But if I'm just going to the store or whatever, I'll normally reach for one of my ColourPop lippy sticks. And my lip pencils. This is the color Bound. It's one of the glossy ones. I love this one because it gives that little hint of gloss, but it stays on longer than a lip gloss will. And it has a more vibrant color, I think, than lip glosses normally do. They're really affordable at colourpop.com. I use the brow from ColourPop as well. I love all of their products. They're liquid lips. They're not long lasting, but I do like them a whole lot. So I'll go ahead and apply this. Alrighty, so I'm gonna go do my hair real quick and then I'll be right back. Hey guys, so yeah, this is the completed look. Normally if I'm going somewhere and Ray tells me I have to hurry and get ready, I just throw my hair up in like a cute little messy bun and just kind of fix it until it's like all the way on top of my head, and then it looks like I did something. And then I pull out these little hairies and yeah, that's it. So this is just like a simple makeup routine you can do whenever you're going to the store or you have to run a quick errand and you're like, oh my god, I don't want to go without makeup. So here it is.